My name is Ronald-Peter Stoeferle. I'm a fund manager and an analyst based in Liechtenstein, working for Incrementum, and I'm managing one fund that focuses on inflation investments, and I'm also the author of the annual In Gold We Trust report.
Thanks for that. And we want to welcome you to Mining Investment Asia 2017. And we do just have a few questions. What is the trend for gold in 2017?
Well, I spoke about that in my keynote presentation. I think we're in the very early stage of a new bull market. I think we have seen the lows in 2016. Now it's the beginning of the so-called public participation phase. I can sense that analysts are getting slightly more positive. Newspaper picks up the topic of gold. Institutional players, they start getting interested, but we don't see too much momentum at the moment. But I think it's a beautiful risk-return profile. I think from a macro point of view, it's interesting because inflation all over the globe is picking up significantly, and if inflation becomes a topic, you want to own gold. So I'm very, very bullish on gold at the moment, and I think there are plenty of reasons to own gold.
Thanks for that. And of course, how can miners position themselves to attract more investors to their companies?
Mostly due to good performance of the stock price, but also in terms of basically ticking the boxes when it comes to the achievements that they announced before. So I think that many miners really did their homework in the last couple of years during the bear market. I think they strengthened their balance sheets. They're refocusing on cash flows, on shareholder value again. They wrote off many projects. I think they got much leaner, and that makes them in the bull market. That makes them, of course, more interesting. So I think that the leverage of mining stocks in a bull market is much higher than it was in the previous cycle.
Okay, thanks for that. And last question, as a keynote speaker, how has Mining Investment Asia helped achieve your objectives thus far?
I very much enjoyed the conference. I've met contacts from all over the globe, but especially Asia and Australia. And for me, being European, I think it's very, very interesting talking to people from the mining business with the view out of Asia. And I think there's many similarities, but there are also many differences in this worldview when it comes to commodities and especially gold. And that makes it very, very valuable for me.
Excellent. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Maureen. Thank you.
Cheers.
Thank you.